Right. Sequence means there might be a lot of them. That's right, or more than one. Okay, so let's see. If I look at them, how do I know which one is the beginning and which one's the final?
Because of the regular A.
Right, the regular A. That's right. So you got a regular A there, and then you've got an A prime there. Now, any idea at first? What's your first idea of what might have happened? Yes, it does look like a rotation, right? And it looks like how many degrees of a rotation? Possibly 90, because notice the orientation change. You've got, we would call that maybe landscape, and then you look at it, and then it's turned portrait. So it looks like a rotation, and it looks like it's 90, and it looks like it might be, which way is that? Clockwise. So that's my first thought too. So let's check out, we'll just look just at A. All right, so A is currently at what coordinate? Look at your paper, probably easier to see. Let's go to A. 2 what? 2, 5. Okay. Now, A prime is what? 5, what? -2, right? Okay, so that's where we are and where we need to go. Let's see if a 90-degree clockwise rotation, let's see if that would have worked. Is it 4 -2?
It's 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 0, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? All right, so let's check out the 90-degree clockwise rotation. Okay, remember when we turn clockwise, which way is clockwise, right or left?
Right.
Clockwise is to the right. So kind of a good strategy is to highlight the one on the right. That's the one that's going to stay put. We're going to rotate around it. So this one rotates. It rotates from the front to the back, and it goes from positive to negative. So that's what it should be after a 90-degree clockwise rotation. Is that what it is? Yes. So there really wasn't a sequence of transformations. Now what they could have done, and don't draw this, but they could have like shifted this whole rectangle down 1 unit. And if they shifted it down, then our coordinate might not have been at 5 -2, it might have been at 5 -3. And so then there would have been a rotation and then a translation. Does that make sense? And again, don't write this on your paper, but if the final picture had maybe looked like this, look at the red one instead of the black one, then it would have been a rotation and a translation. I'm surprised with that word right there. I'm surprised that there was not more than one thing. But anyway. Okay. Number 2. See if you can answer number 2 now that you've kind of got your brain. I'm going to go back and write this on here. 90-degree clockwise. And I'm going to write out the coordinates just so that I have record of it on my own paper. Okay, so see if you can figure out number 2. All right, anybody got any good ideas? Okay, so it might be a rotation, and it might have gone 90 or 270. All right, KB? All right, why do you think it's a reflection? I agree. It does flip over. They're what? In the same spot.
Oh, and the letters in the same spot as well.
The letters are in the same spot, so it doesn't seem to be reoriented. Look how close B is to the line. And then look at B prime. They're the same distance, aren't they? C, same distance away. Remember we talked about when you look in a mirror how you are the same distance away as your reflection. So this would be a reflection. it is a flip. See how the triangle was, to me, I would say pointed up, and now here it is pointed down, so it is a reflection. Over which axis? Over the x-axis. Very good. Okay. All right. Well, let's pass those up.